Good morning. It's a pretty wet, miserable day in Ubud today. We woke up to absolutely loads of rain and it kind of...
It's been raining all morning.
Yeah, it kind of hampered our plans a little bit. Especially as we haven't really driven on the roads very much so far ourselves. So we were a bit nervous to go out on wet roads because that's even more dangerous, especially in Bali. So the plan now, we're just going to head to the local supermarket and pick up some bits there and get some more money exchanged to rupiah.
And if it stops raining, then maybe we'll head to another waterfall.
Yeah, maybe. But we had a really lovely morning of pastries from the place we ordered from the other day, which was called Daily Baguette. They were so good. Had a coffee, had a greens. It has been a cozy morning, but the weather's a bit disappointing. But we'll see how it goes. It might turn out okay, but we'll keep you updated. So we've managed to find somewhere in Ubud that sells protein smoothies. It's that's their whole marketing is all about protein stuff. So we thought we've got to try it, so that's where we're going now. So we just got back from a little shopping trip, and that stop at the protein place was a really fun, relaxing morning. I'll show you what we got in the end from the Alpha Mart just up the road and Bali Buddha in town. So we got cold brew coffees from Alpha Mart, a couple of selections of biscuits, some chocolate oats, some tea, some snacks, and then the rest of the stuff was Bali Buddha, so some peanut butter for toast because it's my favourite thing, banana bread, bananas, avocado, a loaf of fresh bread, and a load of eggs, so we can make eggs on toast, or fried eggs, anything. And then we also got some female hygiene products, which I was told were really expensive in Bali, but they really weren't actually. They were super cheap, so that's something to remember if you're coming over here from somewhere like Europe or the US. They're comparable prices. We had a bit of a disaster. We decided the rain had sort of slowed down, the sun had come out. We thought we'll go to the Tegalang. We've definitely butchered it there. I'm really sorry. Rice field. It's just 20-minute drive from us.
Yeah, well,
because we have a scooter, so we thought we might as well. We set off, and about 15 minutes in, it chucks it down. Absolutely chucks it down. We are soaked. Jake is wet through because he was at the front of the scooter. And being the absolute idiots that we are, we left our waterproofs at the villa. So not only were we soaked, we had no way of shielding ourselves from the rain. And at this point, we had to cut the losses and we had to turn around and come back.
It was raining so hard. The roads were like a river.
It was horrendous. So it's kind of now lunchtime and we've got to start work soon. So it's kind of written the day off for us a bit, which is really disappointing. So I think we'll merge today's vlog with tomorrow's vlog, or this is not going to be a very interesting day for you at all. And tomorrow we'll actually try and do the waterfalls and get up early and do them because we don't want to be with loads of crowds.
Although it's raining again tomorrow.
Maybe we just pack the waterproofs though. It was fine. The driving wasn't so bad. It was just the fact that we were getting completely cold and soaked because when it started raining, it got really cold as well. So we'll reset now, make some lunch. We bought some nice bits from Buddha Bali earlier, so we might try and make some eggs, avocado and toast, which is a bit Western, but we really fancied it. And yeah, see you at lunchtime.
She's got the goods.
We actually ordered dinner from the same place we went to this morning for those smoothies, which is called Protein Island in Ubud. We ordered 2 different sets of noodles. Mine was a green, more seafoody one, and what was yours like?
No idea. Chicken, yellow sauce.
5 noodles, and then Jake also got the banana smoothie they got this morning because it was so good for a little dessert. It's actually really cold and it comes in a cute reusable cup, which is really nice. So we're gonna tuck into dinner. Chopsticks. We've just been working. It's been pouring with rain all afternoon as well. But we're gonna sit under cover and have some dinner. Yeah, it looks delicious. and I'm very excited. Jake, what did you think of the noodles?
It was a bit gross.
Yeah, they were a bit disappointing, to be honest. The smoothies from them were so good. So good. We'd order every day if we could. But no, the noodles were not great. Mine were much worse than yours.
Yeah,
Mine were like
awful.
a seaweed theme, and it had spirulina, green spirulina powder in it, but way too much, and it just sort of overwhelmed.
It was almost inedible.
Yeah, it was almost inedible. We've got a rice pudding coming from our local warung.
To rescue the hunger levels?
Yeah, because I didn't eat very much of it, and it wasn't great, was it?
No.
And what I've learned from this, if I hadn't already learned this from our previous vlogs, is stop trying to order Western food. Is that the message?
Stick to mee goreng.
Like a mee goreng tonight, which is a noodle, a Balinese noodle dish for people that don't know, would have been so much better. Don't know why we didn't just do that.
Or have the chicken soup that I suggested.
Or the one that used to do, whatever.
Yeah.
Full of regrets.
It's really hot as well.
Rice pudding is here to save the day. They don't look the most appealing. They smell amazing, and we know the ones from here, we've had them before, are so good. So excited to get rid of that weird noodle taste with some nice food. So we had a really nice rice pudding from a local warung. For a dessert, it was sort of saved the meal a little bit. We're going to end today here, but we're going to continue this vlog tomorrow, where we might be going to one of the rice fields just north of Ubud, but we'll see what the weather's like tomorrow. So see you there. Good morning. We're gonna head off to the rice terrace today.
That we were meant to go to yesterday, but then it started torrentially raining on the way.
And we had to abort the mission.
Looks
So-
dry.
Today looks a lot better. We've just had some breakfast, just like some assorted toasts with like egg, banana. Jake had banana, I had peanut butter. And then we had coffee and our greens. And we're just gonna go get the scooter now and go drive to the rice terrace. Is it like half an hour away?
Half an hour, yeah.
Yeah, so not too far. And a much better day today as of right now. So wish us luck. So we've arrived at the rice terrace. It's really lovely and it's still pretty quiet, which is really nice. It's so pretty. We're gonna try and get the drone up now and get some footage, which if we do, we'll then start after this clip. But we're really liking it so far. It was only 25,000 per person for entry, which isn't too bad, really, is it?
No.
Similar to some of the waterfalls we visited the other day. So yeah, really liking it. So we've just been exploring the rice terraces. It's been really good, hasn't it?
It has. The route round is a bit hit and miss, so maybe bring some proper shoes.
Yeah, bring some more trainers.
And every 50 metres there's another swing.
Yeah, or like a shop, somewhere to buy drinks or food, or somebody trying to make money, which is fair enough, really fair enough. But we've actually just stopped at a cafe with a really nice view and got some crepes, so excited for those. Getting quite
Really
hungry.
excited.
Yeah, it's been a long walk. Like, I didn't expect it to be a long walk, but we've been walking for like well over an hour.
Yeah, an hour and a half.
Yeah, but it's been really good. Really enjoying it, and we'll show you the view because it's really pretty. So we had a really lovely lunch at one of our favourite warungs in Ubud. I had tempeh, beans, green beans, spinach, all in like Balinese yellow sauce, and Jake had some goreng rice situation. It wasn't like nasty goreng, but it was like a variation of it, but it looked really good. Such nice food there, we love it, and the price is unbelievable. We got 2 meals and we got 2 desserts for £5 something. Jake got fried banana and ice cream, and I got green pancakes with coconut sugar, and they were really, really nice. That was my first time having those ones from this warung. We're just gonna, as always, do some work this afternoon, then order some dinner. But yeah, It's been a much nicer day today weather-wise than it was yesterday, so we've done so much more. The rice terrace was so good. Yeah, definitely a much more productive day. We just had such a good dinner from Sun Warung. We ordered them through Grab because their food's just is so nice. I got noodles with egg, chicken. It had like chicken satay as well, which was so nice. And Jake got chicken and veg marinated in like Balinese spices with rice, and the meal was amazing. So tasty. We're gonna sign off these couple of days here. Hopefully you enjoyed this merge of these 2 days. And please subscribe if you haven't already, and give the video a like. We're actually going to Nusa Penida tomorrow on like a day tour with a driver who's picking us up at 5:40, so hopefully that'll be good. We're very excited for it. So stay tuned if you'd like to watch that video, and hopefully we'll see you there. Bye.